In this video, I'm going to explain what a wireframe is and how it flows into the main JH Media Group website project flow. Let's take a look. We're going to start off by taking a look at the JH Media Group website or application development or SaaS build flowchart. This takes you through all the different steps in building any one of these kinds of systems. Although for a website, maybe there's a few less steps, and for a full-on SaaS application, we're going to have to do pretty much everything in here. So this particular video is just about the wireframing step, and I want to explain where that is in the flow and how that works. So as you can see in here, we start here. We've gone through all the initial meetings. We've got the estimate, the proposal and deal is done. We've had a team and client meeting. At the same time, we've also done success planning and information architecture, project plan, and the team has signed off on the project plan, and we've completed the project kickoff. Now it's time for the wireframes and flows and content, these two items. We've also done a little bit of style guides and mood boards at this point, but we haven't done any concept design. And we've also done a little bit of keyword research, and we're working on content. So really it's these four items we're looking at right here. And one of the central pieces of this is the wireframes. So let's take a look at what the wireframes look like and what a final site looks like, because I think that a lot of people get confused about what a wireframe is and how it flows into the entire system. This is a good example of a site wireframe. So you can see we've got all the different major areas. And by the way, we're working here, in this case, within Adobe XD, which is a wireframing and site build tool. So here you can see we've got all of the information for the ADAcompliancetesting.com website. And as we built this wireframe, we filled in all of the text for each one of these different items. So you can see we've got just big open spots for some of the images here. We've got some, just a form here, but it's not maybe completely done, but it's a really good idea of what's going to happen. You can see in here, we know that this is a video, and this is probably an image right here, although it's still somewhat up for change if needs be. And then this covers all of the different pieces. And then you can also see we've got things like drop downs. We've got other states that may exist on the website. So this is an example of the wireframe. In the wireframe process, we sometimes will also put together the user flow for each different kind of user. So for example, someone coming into like the different kinds of buyer types on a front-end website, we may say we want to take one buyer type down one path and another buyer type down another path. In this case, we've just got some of the general wireframes though. So here's the final site, and you can see it's quite a big difference between what we just saw a minute ago. The final site has all the text, all the images, we have high fidelity artwork, we've covered all of the styling for everything. I think that we ended up deciding not to do the drop downs. We were looking at drop downs up here a minute ago, but we decided against that. However, all these different images are done. Everything is looking really good at this point. And this is also the final website. So going back to it, the concept here, the really critical concept is that it's content first, then the design. Not design first, then the content. Because when you do design first without all of the content, you end up with stuff that doesn't work, that doesn't make sense, that doesn't flow well, or you realize that you can't fit your text into this little box or whatever. So it's really important, it's content first. And that's it. That's the wireframe. That's what it is, that's how it works, and that's how it relates to the final design. I hope this is helpful. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.